Picture this. You leave campus, you jump in your car, and you are excited. You're excited because you are about to embark on an adventure years in the making. As you turn off Highway 34 onto I-5, you curve along the on-ramp to what's next in your future journey, and it hits you. Am I ready? Do you have enough gas in the fuel tank? How bad is traffic going to be? When was the last time you actually checked your engine? Hi, my name is Miles Dodge. I'm the Student Initiatives and Alumni Coordinator here at OSU Rec Sports. And this simple analogy is a great way to describe how many students may feel as they prepare for graduation. For you, running low on fuel may be in the excitement of graduating, you're just burnt out. The bad traffic that you may face is a crowded job market where, frankly, a bachelor's degree by itself may not be enough to cut it to land that dream job you seek. Your engine may need checking. It may have been just fine to get around Corvallis, but can it keep up with the pace of the world that you are about to merge into? Welcome to On-Ramp, a career readiness program focused on preparing you to persist and advance to approach these challenges and ultimately become a career-ready OSU graduate. On-Ramp is a free benefit offered to all OSU Rec Sports student employees that prepares you to be more competitive in the future job market. It is a Canvas-based platform, so it easily integrates into your already busy college life. It documents many activities you may or may not already be doing and adds strategic points of reflection so that you can grow in your confidence and in the skills that employers are seeking so you can have that competitive edge moving forward. So why was On-Ramp created in the first place? Research from the National Association of Colleges and Employers consistently shows a significant gap between the skills that employers are seeking in recent college graduates and the job skills that recent graduates feel that they are bringing to the workforce. This gap can be anywhere from 14 to 46% given the specific skill. You can enter the job force not only having the skills, but being able to articulate them through a portfolio that speaks confidently of your skill set. The ultimate outcome is for you to have a road paved to a preferred career, reducing the amount of unwanted detours. On-Ramp starts you off with a career readiness baseline. This baseline gives you a starting point. The career readiness baseline is expected for all rec sports student employees. From there, you can voluntarily choose to participate in 3 simple and progressive levels of career preparation and reflection at your own pace. And each level is recognized by an OSU-endorsed digital badge that is compatible with LinkedIn and other networking sites. Level 1 focuses on perfecting your cover letter and challenges you to seek out your dream job, and in doing so provides a gap analysis on how to strategically direct your efforts to be best prepared when you don your cap and gown. Level 2 is designed to provide you a number of different routes, allowing you to pursue a modified ride tailored to your unique career readiness journey. You make the decisions in this program, so student employees' progression will be as diverse as the talent we hire. Level 3 recognizes those individuals who pull ahead of their coworkers by continuing to move through more career readiness modules and demonstrate the skills that employers desire. Those who invest in this level will be primed for their road after college. Your hire as a OSU Rec Sports student employee prompts On-Ramp to be loaded onto your Canvas dashboard, where it'll show up like any other OSU course you may take. Between your supervisor and myself, your contact for everything On-Ramp, we are here to guide you through the process to your long-term success. We are invested in you. We are your champions. Treat your job experience here at Rec Sports as a vehicle to your future career. Don't coast. Get in, take the wheel, and drive.